So, what if I told you that there's a secret the average person doesn't know about when it comes to character design? The best artists in the fields like animation, games, and comics use it all the time. Is the secret to their appealing characters. That secret is force shape. After learning force and form, force shape becomes the shorthand for these two. It enables you to draw fluid, functional characters fast. With functional, I mean that their bodies don't look broken. What are force shapes? Let's first look at what they're not. The shapes in the top row are what we call non-forceful shapes. Because they're symmetrical, they look stiff and static. These are the shapes you want to avoid unless they're absolutely necessary. The shapes in the bottom row are what we call forceful shapes, or force shapes for short. They have an asymmetrical design, contrasting a curved sides with a straighter sides. This creates a sense of energy, movement, and appeal. Yes, you get a lot with just this simple shape design idea. Let me show you how I use force shapes to sketch characters from imagination. First, I give myself a theme, in this case, pirates. Then I start sketching ideas. I have a very systematic approach for drawing the characters. First the torso, then the rest of the body. This is also how we teach figure drawing. All that practice studying the human body in action is what allows me to easily draw my own characters in any pose I want. Here's the rough sketch for my first character. Again, it's all done with force shapes. I highlighted them in the body for you to see the underlying idea. And here are some for the clothing, hat, and sword. Whether I draw the whole body or a part, in this case the head, the process remains the same. I start with force shapes and fill them with form. Here's a force shape overlay of this sketch, starting with the overall head, then adding the features and other details on top. If you're enjoying the content of this video, please leave a like, share it with your artist friends, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any exciting updates. Alright, time for the next sketch. This time a female pirate. To create a more interesting design, I give her a small upper body and long legs. Notice that I work in layers, especially since I'm sketching digitally. By working this way, there is no pressure to make a perfect sketch at once. I develop the drawing in stages. Layers also allow me to easily explore different ideas and make the necessary corrections as I go along. Some of you probably watch me do this and think, how does he come up with all these ideas? Well, I'm pulling from the visual library I've built by drawing thousands of poses from reference, studying various costumes and props, watching films, animation, reading comics. All this feeds my creativity. Now sit back and relax as I sketch a few more pirate characters for you. Observe how I build them using force shapes and how I work in layers to refine some of them further. I hope this was inspiring and showed you how the force drawing method can help you unleash your creativity. Please let us know in the comments if you would like to see more videos on character design. Are you new to force drawing? Watch the video linked in the description to get you started. For more in-depth education, please visit drawingforce.com. There you can sign up for mentorships, memberships, courses, and so much more. See you there.